Mukuru gwatebekanizibwa Ministry y'Amaizi hamwe n'ubuhangwa bwensi gwabakugendera kutongoza umwanya ugwo kupimiraho uburingwa bw'amaizi umugera gwa Mpanga Nicholas Nuwagira RDC aba district ya Kitagwenda yarabura abahinzi abari kugira ngo betantare imirimo irukushisha umugera gwa Mpanga.
Umuntu wena arukuhinga hiyana n'umugero agwire hari imyaka niza ko mukome imyaka mukaga kandi kale nyinshi akarutora kwatara arukuhinga ha n'imyaka mukaga abo mwacura nakiri yati tino umuntu arije kwinkurunkinga ki imshara
muringo nugogumwe RDC Nuwagira yararka bubona abatungira sente z'Amerika za Parish Development Model kurebeka ngo bakora ubuceki ihembe bagarayo sentezi abo kubura kwija kurema kuzishashara ija kutwara uwo mukoti
ejero mutende za Parish Model nani mu mutunguke muhinge sentezo nezabusha umyaka ibintu gakokora ki ushashura wari mu kushashura nuza kwinjira no kuzomuchome no hinjire imyaka ibiri sentezo zikora ki
Guma Brian uri team leader wa Albert Water Management Zone wa Ministry y'Amaizi hamwe n'ubuhangwa bwensi ajobora nagira ngo umwanya wo gutongoziwe gwija kuyambaho abantu mu cicekeki okutunga amaizi marungi
yagwa kazambize neza mu so aha twantumanya uburungi bw'amizi bwashwake kandi nabo gashuma amizi gagatabonire nigazumureka George kandi binyarasha bikora ki bimera nizago
muringo nugogumwe Captain John Tugume uri mukuru wa Queen Elizabeth Conservation Area District ya Kitagwenda yashobora ku government yene kora ubuceki ihembe kurebeka ngo yataho urwo rw'amashanyarazi ukutanga inyameshwa iziriko rwo mu irindiro ry'inyameshwa iri ya Queen Elizabeth National Park ukushisha ibihingwa byabo
so nimba shababataka kuhagire chi ministry ya ganze cya pirazi icyo kusiga umwanya wo meters 10 kurgamugera mwategereza kurga hankungwa dena imurashike tuje surveying apa turi tuheza mashoro twaga mashoro tuje kahi surveying apa hichitimba imwe mugwejejero
team of our ministry for the support they have been giving us, especially in destroying our river Mpanga, which has been having big challenges. But as a district, we have been doing much efforts. Our efforts don't see that as a district we are sleeping on the job.
Gashakwa Arneitwe Godwin wa Tayal West Agenshonga muri Kitagwenda.